Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice with just egg and soy sauce. First, ensure your rice is cold and day old. This prevents stickiness. Whisk your eggs well and have your soy sauce ready. A large pan or wok is essential for even cooking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a quick and delicious meal. Next, we'll cook the eggs. Heat 1-2 tablespoons of oil in your pan over medium-high heat. Pour in the whisked eggs and scramble them quickly, breaking them into small pieces. Once they are just set and still slightly moist, remove them from the pan. This prevents overcooking and keeps them tender for later. Now it's time for the rice. Add another tablespoon of oil to the pan if necessary, then add your cold rice. Stir-fry it vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. This ensures each grain gets heated and slightly toasted. Then, pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce directly over the rice, mixing it in thoroughly. For the final step, return your scrambled eggs to the pan with the rice. Stir everything together for about 1 minute, ensuring the eggs are evenly distributed and heated through. Give it a quick taste test and add a little more soy sauce if you prefer a stronger flavor. Your quick and delicious egg fried rice is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.